Is your 4th of July menu looking the same as last year and the year before that? If so, you owe it to yourself and your guests to serve something a bit different. Rather than busting out hamburgers and hot dogs, what do you think about serving a kicked up version of Sloppy Joe? We start by cooking a few slices of bacon. Once they're crispy, we drain them. Meanwhile, in the same skillet, we brown some ground beef along with a chopped onion. Sautéing the meat and onions in the bacon drippings gives this lots of flavor. Now we add in the bacon that we've crumbled, along with some barbecue sauce and a little salt and pepper. Then it's up to you whether you want to serve it right out of the skillet or take it outside to keep it warm on your grill. Either way, spoon it onto a roll and you're good to go. Since it's cooked ahead of time, everyone can help themselves. Plus, each bite is packed with a saucy, smoky flavor thanks to the barbecue sauce and the bacon. To get the recipe for our Bacon-Barbeque Joe, all you have to do is go to our website today, so you can have it in plenty of time before the 4th. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a sloppy good way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.